everybody and welcome to Vlogmas Day 15. Yeah. How does Dave feel about it being 10 days till Christmas?
I'm excited.
Woo!
I'm super happy.
You're super happy?
Yeah. How about you?
Oh, I'm okay. I'm alright.
Okay.
Sorry, it's the morning. I've still not done the curtains or the lights on yet. But yeah, no. I've been really busy. And yeah, it's been an interesting one over the past few weeks. So yeah, I'm excited, but then at the same time I'm a little bit like everything needs to slow down a little bit. We do your advent calendar before we do anything. Look, it's still your hair. What's going on, mate? Sort it out. Number 15. Number 15.
It's getting less and less now, so I can see
it. It is.
Okay, right, so. See, we are so in tune, we are.
We are. However,
you've gone for a bonus.
I went for a bonus. I couldn't find you a jumper, so I got you a t-shirt so you could make an ugly t-shirt instead of a jumper.
Yeah, thank you.
That's alright. I've got him.
Tickle my baubles, it says on there.
There we go, that's something that we could do on a vlog.
Yeah!
Now it's time for
Dave's advent calendar is not the moment to wrap at this moment in time right now. Jingle.
And I don't think it's ever going to change.
Close our eyes. Be careful with this one, alright?
Oh, goodness me.
I'm just saying, it's quite a fidgety one.
A snow target. Oh no, this hasn't got polystyrene balls in it, has it?
I don't think so.
Oh my gosh, a snow target. Grab some friends. It says grab some friends.
Me!
And set up the targets in different distances, starting from with 10 being the nearest and 100 being the furthest. I can throw balls at Dave.
Steady on.
What's with this thing? Oh, it's pom-poms. It comes with 6 indoor snowballs. Ooh, and you can just see them just in there. You see them just in there. Look. Pop one out.
Yeah.
Done. Oh, so close. Right, so we are off and we're just going to go and hang out with some friends today. I really apologise if we're being really quite short and a little bit, you know, our vlogs are a little bit shorter and a little bit quick. It's because we've just been so busy over the last few days. I'm sure you guys, you know, can relate to everything. And we're catching up with some friends today. So yeah, we'll see what happens today. Because it's very much an easy day, isn't it, today?
Yeah, it is.
Today is a very windy and rainy day.
Hello.
It's very windy and rainy. This is how we can tell.
Look at Santa rocking
Way,
the
go
tree.
Santa, go! Way. That's how windy it is. Oh, nearly. He nearly flew away then. It's not Christmas Eve yet. So Santa, 10 days before Christmas, how are you doing? I'm not doing too bad, thank you.
I've still got lots of presents to
Guys, I made a boo-boo. When we bought the tree, we cut down a load of the branches, you know, for it to fit in, you know, within the shelves and stuff. I completely forgot to just leave these things outside, you know, to get a bit of rainwater and stuff, so they're a bit dry. And I meant to do my wreath, and I'm like, oh no. But part of me is just like, do you know what, let's see what it looks like, let's see how it goes. And yeah, because they're not looking, I don't know, they don't look too bad on. This could be a bit disastrous really. I mean, maybe I should just go out to the park and you know, get some branches from there. But I think this one's still alive. So that one's still alive, other than that one. That looks a little bit questionable. So yeah, let's see if I can decorate this. I've got some wire. See how I can get on with it, I think. Let's see. I don't know. Let's see if I can salvage something. Oh gosh, Steph, what did you do, love? I made a boo-boo. And this is the first ever time I've ever used one of these rings, so I'm hoping it's all gonna go well. And I hope I've actually got enough as well. That's another thing. Don't think I've got enough branches, but we'll have a look, we'll have a see, and we'll see how it goes. It's kind of getting there. It looks all right actually, and it's quite easy to do this. So yeah, it actually doesn't look too bad, even though it's quite dried out bits of tree. But you know what? I make things possible. God, I've actually done it. I didn't think I was going to have enough branches, but I think I did it. I think it looks pretty cool. Go me! And right, I've got to figure out how to tie this up now. And then try and decorate it with something. How do you think it's looking? It's looking a little bit better now that I've got stuff in it. I'm just hoping it will stay. I've got these things. I actually got these from Poundland last year. And do you remember these things? I actually dried these myself last year and I didn't think they would actually last, but they have. There's no signs of like mold or anything like that on them, so yeah, looking good. So I've put my little Mickey lights in there like I did last year and I'm gonna see if this works. Okay, let's see if these work. Hopefully they will. Yay! Oh my goodness, they look amazing. Yes. Oh, I'm so happy. Ah, see, there we go. It actually looks all right, even though they're a little bit dried out. But to be fair, they're going to dry out anyway. So we've managed to salvage it, I think. I think it looks really good. Shine bright, my little wreath. Shine bright. We're not done too bad with the materials that we had. Yeah, happy with that. Very happy. Now I've got to clean up all this mess. Oh, Christmas tree gets everywhere, doesn't it? Oh, I've put my lights on up here as well. So I need to find the rest of my little bits and pieces to put in here. You know, because I had some more oranges and I had some more like cinnamon sticks and stuff. I need to go and find them and see where they are. But that doesn't look too bad, does it? I'm actually quite impressed by that. Well done, Steph. That actually didn't take me that long to do. I say maybe about 15 minutes, not even that. So, and a long part of it was trying to find all my bits and pieces to put in it. But I'm actually really, I'm made up. High five me. Oh, high five. High five, everybody. I'd literally just gone into the kitchen and found my Halloween Poundland spider headband on the drying rack. What have happened to them? Did they, I'm guessing they went in the wash or something? I don't know what happened. But his eyes have gone. Don't know where the eyes have gone. Oh dear. Oh no. I could try and salvage them, I think. What happened? Halloween is no longer here. I've just managed to stick them back into place. I might put some googly eyes on them, I think. We can salvage them. I also forgot that I've got these from that garden centre. And they smell so good. I'm trying to find something to put them in. And the only thing that I really have is this vase, which I'm going to probably wash out. And yeah, fill it up. Oh yes, let's put these in. There we go. Oh gosh, oh, can't fit them all in, can I? There we go. Yeah. I'm not sure what I think about the bow now, but I've put the cones in now, so hopefully it will smell very Christmassy. Day number 15 is now burnt out on my candle, so time to... What did you think of my wreath?
It's beautiful. I really like it.
Did you like it?
Steph does a good job every year with the wreath.
I like making wreaths.
You do like it. You do good.
I do. I do. So that's the end of today, unfortunately.
Yes.
I hope you have a wonderful day or night, whatever you are doing in the world. Yeah, I hope you did like this video. If you did, give it a massive thumbs up. Really appreciate it. And you know, the usual stuff, you know.
Subscribe. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit the notification bell for future videos, which of course will be tomorrow.
Yes.
Daily vlogs. So I hope you guys have a great day. And we shall see you in tomorrow's vlog. Bye.
For Christmas.